A few years ago, I switched to using VSCode as the IDE I use in the classroom for demos and things, and also most of my students use. And probably the biggest reason for that was while it is a really powerful IDE, underneath the hood, most of that's hidden. So a lot of the noise kind of gets lost, and the students don't see things they don't necessarily need to see. And with that, that's also about the same time I switched to liking dark mode when I code. So what the screen's showing right now. Uh, but doing demos and things, you don't necessarily get the best view on a projector with dark mode. So there's a extension I want to show you, and it is called Toggle Light Dark Theme, and written by a guy named Daniel Jackson. See if I can find the right one. This one right here. And what it will do is it'll add this little icon down in the toolbar. You go to install it, and it will let you, with a click, switch between dark and light. So it gives you this little icon down here at the very bottom of my screen is new. So I come back, go to my code, and I click that. When I'm working on stuff, let's say I'm working on some code in dark mode, I do my thing, and then later in the day I want to show my students some stuff on the projector, I'll click that button and it will toggle it to light mode. And I click it again and it toggles back to dark mode. If you're interested, the link for this is in the, you can either search for it in the extension menu or I'll link to it in show notes.